The drone has started. Let's start the drone show first. Wow. Look at it. The sound. Now it's like forming a circular shape, and inside there's some kind of characters, and outside the red color circle is rotating, turning. There's white lights. Whoa. Now it's kind of a diamond shape or something. I mean, inside there's a pink color. Now it's turning every few seconds. It's changing the shape once again. Now it's white color and blue. This is the first drone show I attended in Singapore. It looks like very realistic, more than that of the Vietnam one. Whoa. It's like they're floating in the sky. Wow. Wow, the red color. It's like waving at us. You guys will be here. If not, hope you guys feel the ambience and how it looks like from the video. And by the way, if you enjoyed the video so far, subscribe and like so that more people can also have the chance to watch the video. Thanks very much. Now the red is on top, the white is below. The little pink is white, red. Slowly it's changing its shape once again. These are a shape of a family, a kid in the center, father on the left, and mother on the right side. Now it's changing once again to something else. Oh. That looks like the mascot. Oh, Singapore call it the Singa lion. This is at the map of Singapore. Now, why is the next ship coming up? Oh, I love SG. I love Singapore. Now it's changing once again. Oh, this is NDP 60 2025. The year this year. This is Majula, Singapore. Majula is a Malay word. It means like salute. So salute Singapore. This is a Singapore flag. Oh, the four circles intersecting each other to form something the Olympic type of stuff. Let me see what is it. Now the red color is all red color, and then it's like a Venn diagram. That's like how many circles you see? 1, 2, 3. Wow. Now it's like floating down, just a fairy tale. The crowd is very happy.
It looks so good without dancing.
They kind of dissolve into the ground.